small yet powerful speaker for streaming music and more. Get rich, room-filling sound with Play 1 and control it with the Sonos app. The compact design fits just about any space. Put it on your kitchen countertop, or tuck it away on your office bookshelf. Go from unboxing to listening in minutes with just one cord and step-by-step guidance in the Sonos app. Pair 2 Play 1s in the same room for stereo separation and more detailed sound. Easily connect Sonos speakers in different rooms over Wi-Fi to create a home sound system that brings every room and everyone together. Top reviews from the United States. I have been impressed with the Sonos system and the Play 1 speaker since receiving 2 as gifts a few years or so ago. Recently, we purchased 2 more to create a surround sound system with a Playbar and Sub. These are not tiny speakers, but they are small and relatively easy to find space for. Do not let the size fool you, though. These things punch well above their weight when it comes to sound. Just a single one delivers excellent quality when you think about what you are dealing with. I am quite picky about my sound, and I continue to be impressed by what these things produce. What I truly love is how easy they are to move around. At under £5, you just unplug it, move it, and plug it back in. In a few seconds, it's ready to go. It's particularly nice to take outside on a nice day or evening. According to Sonos, they are designed to withstand outdoor conditions. While I've unintentionally tested that claim a few times, I make a habit of bringing it inside when I am done. It's just too easy, and I cannot imagine that keeping it outside does not shorten the speaker's lifespan in some manner. FYI, it is worth the trouble to keep all Sonos components plugged in. Whenever there is an update, all the firmware in the speakers will update automatically to those that are plugged in. If you leave a speaker unplugged when an update happens, it may not show up on your controller when you do plug it back in. The worst case is that you reset and reinstall the speaker. Neither of those processes are long or difficult, but you may as well avoid the pain. Regarding the Sonos system as a whole, it's fantastic and continues to improve. It's become the primary audio in our home, and I intend to purchase another Play 1 or 2 to place in other rooms either for grouping or for different options.